Well, I got to the top. That's where I came from. And this is the shelter. Looks like it's got a fireplace. It's got a door. Got some people in it. And that's what it looks like. Got a tin roof on it. I don't want to go inside because that's where they're all hanging in there. Keep it private. The trail goes that way. I probably will go that way. Get out of the windy hill here. Very windy and chilly. This is overlooking all the little farms there. All in the valley there. All little houses and barns and a couple of little roads that go through. It's nice. Well, I'm going to get out of the wind. I'm going to go onward.